So I previously did a little April yard tour, and now it's the first week of May, and things have really changed quite a bit, so I thought I'd do a little brief update. You can see the wisteria is not only in bloom, but has leafed out and is sending out those little whips that I need to trim off. So that's gonna be a chore, but it looks lovely and I'm feeling happy that it did bloom, and happy to see how the blossoms look like. In this bed, that little artichoke has just been, it's not a great spot for it. It never does super well, but it's coming along. Strawberries are coming along. I need to re-mulch this bed with stopped recording because my phone storage was full, so I deleted some things, and now I'll pick up where I left off, which was talking about how the apple trees have leafed out. That, I think it's a blueberry or something down there, is leafed out. The columbine here is starting to put on blossoms, which is quite exciting. So that's very fun. I'm satisfied with this area. It's looking really nice since it got cleaned up. Bleeding Heart still looking nice and vivacious and in bloom. There we go. Yeah. I really am enjoying this Bleeding Heart. Have little strawberry and miscellaneous like sedums that are popping up back here. And then just because I'm rushing because I think my phone might crap out on me again. Camas. These bulbs have been blooming and are really fun and satisfying to look at. The rest of the plants are not looking super great. I'm a little worried that I might have taxed the bulbs by letting these flower, but I didn't know what I was doing. I was just trying to save some camas, so hopefully they'll be alright. Rest of the plants are doing good. Rosy Checker Mallow and Meadow Checker Mallow are both doing good. Had quite a bit more camas from seed pop up. I think there's like 11 or 12 sprouts in that. Milkweed is going. Oxalis is going. Everything's really coming along quite nicely. Oops. Here. This is the columbine from seed. Doing pretty good. And oh, it looks like I need to water that geranium. I was looking pretty wilty and sad. But yeah, lupin sprouts are getting pretty big. And the iris is really, there's some iris that I relocated in there to catch some rain. It's doing good. Everything's really just green and verdant and fun this time of year. So 1 month makes quite a lot of difference.